Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things crafting. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that every DIY enthusiast needs to have in their toolkit. We're talking about the 230PCS 16mm colorful round wooden beads, which we believe are the best large craft beads out there. These vibrant, natural wood beads are perfect for all kinds of crafting projects, from jewelry making to festive decorations. Let's talk about what makes these beads stand out. First off, the package includes 230 beads in 23 stunning colors. With shades like light gray, silver, crimson, precious blue, and light pink, your creativity is boundless. The dimensions of each bead are 16mm in diameter with a 4mm wide hole, making them incredibly easy to string with various ropes or threads. Whether you're creating unique necklaces, bracelets, or even home decor items, these beads will certainly add a pop of color and a touch of craftsmanship to your projects. One of the best things about these beads is their quality. Each bead is made from natural wood, carefully planed to ensure a smooth finish. This means you can paint, carve, or embellish them however you like. Imagine the possibilities. From personalized gifts to seasonal decorations, the only limit is your imagination. These beads aren't just versatile, they also lend themselves beautifully to various crafting scenarios. Whether you're planning for a holiday party, a birthday celebration, or simply looking to spruce up your living space, these beads are the perfect choice. You can use them to create stunning wood bead wreaths, festive garlands, or even unique buttons for your clothing projects. They truly can transform a simple DIY into something extraordinary. Now, let's talk about the practicality of using these beads. They come in a sturdy packaging that makes storage simple and efficient. Plus, the variety of colors allows you to mix and match easily, ensuring that you always have the perfect shade for your project. They are not just for kids. Adults can also enjoy working with these beads, whether for relaxation or for creating beautiful handmade gifts. Using these beads is a breeze. The 4mm hole is designed to accommodate most cords and threads, making it easy to thread multiple beads quickly. This is especially beneficial if you're working on larger projects or if you're crafting with kids who might not have the finest motor skills yet. Let's not forget that these beads also make excellent gifts. Imagine creating a beautiful bracelet or necklace for a loved one. Not only do you get to express your creativity, but you also provide a heartfelt, personalized gift. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, handcrafted gifts carry a sentiment that store-bought items often lack. In conclusion, the 230PCS 16mm colorful round wooden beads are an incredible addition to any crafting collection. With their vibrant colors, quality craftsmanship, and versatility, they stand out as the best large craft beads on the market. So, if you're looking to unleash your creativity or find the perfect gift, look no further. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crafting insights and product reviews. What will you create with these colorful wooden beads? Let us know in the comments below. Happy crafting!